sorry about that, guys. My internet connection timed out. Well, I need to do some... Oh, cool. Brookhaven has a post office now? What is this? Library, Starbucks coffee. Oh, wait. This used to be the cleaners. Where's the cleaners? Daycare? Oh, bro. Dude, I have no choice. But, like, what if the earthquake strikes on time and I have no shelter to go to? Dentist, Rockstar. Dude, all of this is going to be destroyed by the quake. Who's this? Hello? Girl, don't just come running off with her. Alright. The earthquake will happen about like 13 seconds or something. Baba Booey. There's going to be an earthquake. Don't you know there's going to be a freaking earthquake in Brookhaven? Dude, there will be an earthquake. There is going to be an earthquake. I think I'm gonna quit my job now. I'm gonna go to Gabby's house. Well, I'm gonna tell her there's an earthquake. Alright, so where is she? There will be a quake. I think Gabby had a heart attack and left. There's an earthquake going to... I found her. This is her. This is the house. I think she's living with, Lauren X. Hold on. Lauren X left. Alright, so I guess we're gonna get out of that. Oh, wait, what does that say? What does that say? Bleep. Bleep. My name is Bleep. Is gonna be Bleep. Oh, she changed it. Bro. Oh, bro, it's starting to shake. It's starting to shake. Oh, my gosh, I didn't even realize that, but it's starting to shake. Oh, my gosh, the quake is here. The quake is here. Oh, my gosh. The quake. How did the quake just happen already? I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't even expecting. What were you doing you there, punk. We have another tow truck. Oh my gosh, this quake. Dude, first they said that there was not going to be a quake. Now, they mistaked it, and now they said that there's going to be a earthquake. Bro, watch out, you little punk. Well, oh my gosh. I think she's working here. I think she's working here. Dude, where is she? There's a quake going on. I hear walking. Ow! Oh wait, who is that? Oh bro, I think that's Hungry right there. I need to get out. Bro, I'm going to see the damage throughout the city.